Hi, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Andrea Spano, and I'm going to show you how to make several different flavored cheesecakes from one basic cheesecake recipe from my new book, Not Just Desserts. Okay, so at this point, I've added about 5 eggs. Now I'm looking at my mixture. You know, it has a nice body to it. It's starting to get loose. I'm going to put in one more egg and see what the consistency is. And I like to keep it at this thickness. You see how it's not too watery, but it still has a body? So I think I'm going to leave this at 6 eggs and not add the 7 that I originally intended. Because if you have, depends on the size of the egg, you could have large eggs from one store and a large egg from another store and they're different sizes. Okay, I think that the cheesecake mixture is perfectly done now. See the consistency? Not too thin, but it has a nice body. Okay.